cutting my bangs. Okay. So, what I've heard is you start by putting it into a triangle. Okay. So, that's a lot. I don't want to do that much. Okay. So, it's not going to be the... Oh, wait. I think you do that, not a triangle. Like that, but you have to, like, fix up the line a little bit.
Do you want to, like, watch a tutorial or something?
Yeah, probably.
Just hold on.
Just cut it.
Putting this back.
I just want to cut it in the back. Motivate her.
Should I do some side bang?
Okay, watch this.
Okay, hold on.
They're kind of like...
It's like...
I think you have a little too much.
Okay. Redo. So you're gonna do like a little like that. That's what she's doing. Like so. And then like this. Like that. Is this
So
good?
how does she cut it though? Because there might be a certain
She's going... Can you give me... Oh my god, she did it. Should I start right here?
Wait, are you actually gonna cut them? I know, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Oh my gosh.
Right here?
Wait.
It looks good. I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna leave her here. I'm gonna leave her here. This feels weird. I feel like I'm in like junior high again. Mom! Okay, guys. I'm gonna cut it a little bit shorter now.
Cut like right here.
Right here.
Yeah.
Trick it, I swear to God, you better not talk to me in that tone of voice, because then I get really confused. Okay, it doesn't look too bad.
Okay, on camera it actually
Okay,
doesn't look
wait,
that
no,
straight.
it's not.
Okay.
Okay, now I have to curl them in like this. I've seen videos.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna burn the house down.
With this little thing.
Where I come from, yeah.
Like all the hair's on this side and there's like none on this side.
I see.
Look, it's all cute and then like, ooh.
Practice on a little doll or something.
I don't want to do this.
Okay, then. You can do that, or you can just cut it.
Should I cut this into this side, this
Yeah.
length?
Probably.
She going pastrami.
I just want to see what it looks like down. I look ugly.
No, you don't. You actually look really.
Final touch. I kind of just cut my bangs myself. I've been wanting bangs forever and I never had the guts to like do it, but I did do it and I love them. I look like kind of like a boy / Dora, but like you already know. But thanks guys for watching. I'm kind of shook right now. I just thought I felt the need to film this video because it might have been funny if I messed it up. But like it turned out pretty good and I'm really happy about it. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.